Prepare a pot that is much larger than the previous pot. Set up some drainage at the bottom of the pot, then a thick layer of herb plant soil mix. Pull out the basil from the first pot and run the cultivator along the clump to disentangle the roots without breaking them. Place the moist clump in the middle and backfill with soil mix. And water. Basil is a plant that is very demanding in terms of water, so don't let the clump dry off. To avoid having the basil go to seed, pinch the tip off each new shoot.